next trip, and we brought the dogs this time. It's their first bus trip. So we just stopped at a rest stop, and Tim is letting the dogs take a potty break. Your turn. Back in the bus, gonna get back on the road soon. Waiting on Tim. We had to switch out. Have the dogs in the bus now because Eleanor is a crybaby. She cries at everything and whines all the time, and if either of us leave, she whines until we get back. And we won't be getting to our spot until late tonight, so hopefully we're gonna stop soon and grab something to eat, and we'll catch you at the campsite. We started our trip midday on Wednesday and headed north towards Tallahassee, and just west of Tallahassee is a state park that's known for something very special. So it's about 11:30, actually 10:30 because we crossed the time zone. We just got to our campsite and we made up the bed. We actually have a curtain over the bathroom now, and we have even some little window coverings up. So we are going to clean up our bodies and go to sleep for the night. It's been a very long drive. See you in the morning. Alright, so it's morning. Now we can actually see a little bit of the campsite. Good morning.
Morning.
We're up, we're gonna make some coffee, have some breakfast, and then we're gonna go check out the park. We're at a place called Falling Waters State Park here in Florida, just west of Tallahassee. It is the tallest waterfall in Florida. Fun fact, I didn't even know there were waterfalls in Florida, so it should be awesome. See you in a few. Falling Waters had about 24 campsites tucked away back in the forest. Each of these sites had water and electrical hookup. In the warmer months, this park has an amazing area for swimming. The hiking trails are beautiful and there are lots of things to see. A unique part of these trails is that some of them wind around 100-foot deep sinkholes. It is these sinkholes that make this possible, Florida's tallest waterfall. The waters of a small stream feed this waterfall that drops 73 feet to the bottom where the water's destination is unknown. Next leg of our trip, we took the scenic route along the coast of the Panhandle, then back up to Tallahassee for our Thanksgiving dinner. The change of scenery during this drive was absolutely incredible. From pine trees to palm trees, our state truly holds such a variety of beauty. So we reached our destination for night 2, Thanksgiving. This is our Thanksgiving. courtesy of Cracker Barrel. Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving.
This was definitely a first for me and Tim also. It didn't suck. I was very apprehensive about sleeping in a parking lot, but it was good. Cracker Barrel kind of caters to this type of thing. We have a RV actually parked right behind us. At this particular Cracker Barrel, there's some sort of water treatment thing. I'll get some more video on that, but it sounds like a waterfall. So we had some ambiance last night. It was very quiet. We hung up some towels as blinds to block out a couple of street lights, but overall it was a success. So we can mark that off the bus life experience checklist. Today we are going to do a little exploring, and then I'm not sure where we're going tonight. We're headed back towards the Ocala National Forest, which we stayed at our last trip when we went to Juniper Springs. So we're gonna head back in that direction because there's lots of sites there, and hopefully find an availability. I have no idea what it is, but all down here, water goes down the side. I don't know what it does. AMCOL. I guess I can Google that. Anyway, made for great ambiance. For our third night, we headed towards the Ocala National Forest in hopes we could find a campsite in one of their many campgrounds. Slight incline. Oh my god, babe.
I think I can. There she goes.
Oh my god. That is the incline we just got stuck on. It's so small. Having survived that fiasco, we headed into Ocala to eat at one of our favorite Mexican restaurants, La Hacienda, and to also do some much needed laundry.
Friday night at the Senor Bubbles. Tacos and laundry. That's a Friday night.
Okay, night number 3. We made it to Ocala, but no camping sites are available. So we are parked amongst the big boys. Truck stops are not my favorite. I'm thankful that we had a place to stay and it was free, but Definitely not my favorite. I'm tired. It actually got cold last night. So I'm gonna make some coffee. And hopefully we're gonna get out of here and get to an actual campsite for our last night of our trip. So we left Ocala and headed south. We had managed to make a reservation at popular Wekiwa Springs. At our final destination, and this is the time to get in. Located just minutes from downtown Orlando, Wekiwa Springs is one of Florida's most visited state parks. On our drive home, we decided to make a stop in a small town called Dade City. It is the home of Urgel's Christmas Tree Farm. Keeping up with the tradition of Tim's, we come to this farm each year after Thanksgiving. This is usually a family affair, so not having our kids with us did make it bittersweet. But after everything we've all had to deal with through 2020, we were definitely looking forward to a little Christmas cheer. We hope that each of you had a wonderful holiday season and are just as excited to welcome 2021 as we are. Show us some love by clicking thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also click the notification bell so you won't miss any of our videos.